I want to build the Going Merry. Welcome to the first video of our journey to bring the legendary ship the Going Merry from One Piece to life. My name is MTU and this is Frankie's Workers, and it's my dream to build the Going Merry ship, the Going Merry from One Piece. It's an anime, manga, and recently a Netflix show. And I know what you're thinking, they probably already did that with the Netflix live action show. But I'm pretty sure it's just a set and it's not actually a sailing vessel. And I want to build a real life version, one that can actually sail out in open water. For those of you familiar with the series, you're probably thinking, it's not even the coolest looking ship from the series. You know, the Going Merry isn't just a ship, it's actually one of the characters. And I don't mean that it's talking to you, or does it? Or does it talk to you? It's a symbol for the adventure and for the friendship between the crewmates of the Straw Hats. And through this project, I want to capture that nostalgia. And making this isn't just about the aesthetics, it's definitely going to be a lot of engineering, woodworking, and sailing principles put into practice. And there will probably be a lot of challenges to overcome. Foreshadowing. And if you're looking at the length of this video, you probably know that I'm not making the boat in this video alone. This is definitely going to be a journey where I'm going to start from the ground up. This is definitely going to be an adventure where I learn all the skills required to achieve this monumental task. If we take what the end goal is, building the full ship, you got to think about all the building blocks that are needed to get there. So when you look at certification, so all the standards and sort of safety certification that I'm going to need to build it to spec and allow it to be seaworthy. When it comes to building, I'll need to have a final design. Now, on the design, if you're thinking, how am I going to design this entire thing from scratch? Well, I've been watching the anime and reading the manga. In volume 11 of the manga, Oda draws the interior of the ship because it's not often that the crew spends a lot of time inside the ship in the manga. The anime does a good job of using Oda's designs to show the interiors more when there are scenes where the characters are interacting with each other in the series. And I would need to think about all the materials that are involved and handling and processing. Putting all these materials together is going to be a whole set of challenges. So I definitely have something to go with. For building the full ship, I'll need to have a location, somewhere where I can start and build the ship for as long as it takes. It's going to need more than just a dream to build the actual ship. I need a lot of equipment and know how to use it. And just thinking about the sheer size of this, it's probably going to be bigger than my back garden. And I want to be really clear, it's going to take a really long time to get anywhere close to actually building the ship. In the meantime, I'm going to need to make smaller, more achievable goals and learn the skills to achieve those. So I'll need to start small, and fortunately I already have. From here I'd like to scale bigger. So this was 3D printed, but I want to make a sort of sizable wooden model and learn more about ship design and an actual traditional boat building. Well, that's going to do it for today. It's just an intro to this big dream that I have in my mind, but I definitely want to make it a reality. So please join me, like and subscribe as they say, and follow along for more One Piece, crafting, woodworking content. I'm really excited about this. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being.